Hi, all fantastic Oriflame consultants in Central Europe. I am very happy because we are performing better than ever. You are performing better than ever. We are growing like never before. And therefore, I have some news today. We need to move the Manager's Seminar 2018 destination. The hotel is simply too small in Apulia. We have too many qualifiers already, which is fantastic news. So we are moving it to the exclusive island of Sardinia, still in Italy, and I can promise you it will be a fantastic Seminar 2018. So make sure you start your qualification latest in Catalog 14 and that you join me and my colleagues in Sardinia 2018. Best of luck with your qualification.